Hey guys, oh my email's went off. It's Mr. Freeman here. Sorry I couldn't record yesterday. My throat was just not great. It's not awesome today. I'm just got a lot of drainage from allergies, and the cold weather is definitely messed up. Oh, I spelled this very wrong. Look at me, like a activities. Hey, I got it. This is the first video. It's just gonna be the video of me telling you what you're doing this week. It'll be really short and sweet. Watch this first. This week is a pretty simple week. You have a few things. This week, you're going to need to watch my videos, this being the first one, and then you're going to need to watch my other video. My other video is I'm moving on to this program called I call it SLS, Smart Learning Suite. It's awesome. It lets me do interactive lessons. It lets you guys do some assignments in my PowerPoint as opposed to having to switch back and forth between these things. So I'm going to start using it a lot. It also lets me give you guys games. It does a bunch of fun stuff. It's awesome. We're going to use this in my reading class too. But to do that, you'll have to log on, and I'll show you how you do that. It's very simple. But first, we're going to show you what you're doing this week. This week, you have your weekly writing that you always have, and then you need to do my video lesson. My video lesson is pretty short. This one's a pretty easy assignment. It's new stuff, but it's pretty simple stuff you guys are used to writing. Something I want to go over is that grades are coming up. Next week, report cards are going to go out. Some of you guys might not be doing so hot. One, because I don't have a lot of grades. And two, the stuff you're doing might not be complete. I need you to complete your work. What I'm talking about is mostly on weekly writing. The work isn't getting done. You might be turning it in, but you're turning it incomplete. Or you're not turning it in, and so I just go and see what you've done. You've done not nearly enough, and it's already past due. I give you guys a lot of time to do these things, and I know I'm a little slow sometimes on the ball getting it out, but even if I get it out to you late, I'm still giving you the same amount of time to turn it in. So this week, your virtual writing, which you're going to have in your classroom in the normal spot under weekly writing. Let me move myself out of the way. Is it like this? You only have 2 this week. No IW this week. Wasn't worried about it. I'd rather you guys do these 2 things. So your first one is write a total of 6 whole sentences. Do not copy and paste yours from last week. I will check. It's pretty obvious. I don't have a lot of you guys, so it's pretty easy to tell. Write 4 fanboys or compound sentences and using different fanboys for each one. Write about anything you want. Just use them correctly. You guys did a good job at writing these. The problem was last week, a lot of people didn't write all 4. I want 4, not 1. I want all 4. You can use any of the fanboys to do it. And then 2 complex sentences, which is good. The next one, daily writing number 2, is all about clear and specific reasons. If you have not watched the video lesson on the slideshow, you won't know how to do this as well. You might be able to take a good guess. Watch the video first. Again, this isn't due until next Wednesday. Don't rush it. Go in and add it. Go fix it. All you gotta do is I'm giving you a prompt, and the prompt is this. Which season is better, winter or summer? I'm giving you a claim. I want you to complete that claim by giving me 3 clear and specific reasons. I'm giving you your claim. Your claim is saying you think that after considering both sides of the issue, summer is better or is the better season. This is because this, and this. Don't write it's because it's warm, sunny, and I don't know, fun. One, those are bad reasons, and also that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 3 clear, specific, different reasons. Write these as if they were 3 separate sentences. Write a full sentence. Make it at least a complete sentence. It doesn't have to be compound or complex. Be a simple sentence, but make it make sense. I have to be able to tell what you're telling me. All right? And you're just going to give me 3 reasons. If you do your video lesson, this makes a lot more sense. It's way easier. So do that first. Do the video first. Then what you do is you'll click on the link. It'll say week 5 lessons, reasons, and details. This is what I had up earlier. This is where the lesson is. It's called Smart Learning Suite Online. That's the lesson. You click on it, and it's going to bring you to this bad boy right here, which you can control. This is my slideshow, and you can control it and do all these cool things. And you'll see even that there's an activity at the end. That activity is very important. If you haven't done the activity, I can't give you a grade. That's how I know you're watching my video lessons, if you complete my activity. So watch the activity, or watch the video, do the activity. But that's it for this week, guys. Make sure you're doing your work. A lot of you guys are struggling with red comment stuff, and I know that. It's hard. The biggest thing I'd say there is, again, make sure you're doing everything that it's asking. Don't just put something and expect you get a good grade. You have to do it right. If you guys need any help, contact me. But other than that, I'm going to let you guys go on this video. Go check out the video below it in the link. You'll have access to this. You might have to put in a class code, but if it does, it'll prompt you, I'm pretty sure. If not, I'll put my class code up. I'll even have it up here because, I mean, I can do that. It would be like that one right there. I'll put this on the thing, so I'll even do it right now if you need it. But go ahead and get in. I will see you all tomorrow, Thursday. I'm going to have my meeting. I'll also have one on Friday, so just let me know. All right, thanks, guys.